Sitting comfortably in your chair for this letting go visualization. Feeling your feet on the ground beneath you and allow your hands to rest comfortably. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Conscious breaths. And these breaths allow you to relax and be in this moment. Imagine now you are sitting beside a calm, flowing river. Visualize yourself placing all thoughts, concerns, worries into a small boat that's floating on the water. And as you place each thought into the boat, feeling a sense of release and relief washing over you. As you place those worries and concerns into the boat, imagine gently pushing it away from the shore, watching it as it drifts downstream, carrying your worries with it. And as the boat fades from your view, you feel a sense of calmness and release. You're aware of this present moment and feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. You hear the gentle rustle of leaves in the breeze. You allow yourself to fully immerse in the peace, in the tranquility of this moment. Take some more breaths in and out as you savor this feeling of relaxation, that sense of calmness that surrounds you. And you know you can always come back to this place of inner peace whenever you need a break. When you're ready, open your eyes and continue with your day with a smile. Thank you so much for listening. Check out my other short and longer meditations and courses on here. This is Sandhya signing out.